again. Like we have to ask ourselves, we have to introduce ourselves here for our viewers and for together as well.
I would love to introduce myself. And I am Nageshwar. I'm a teacher from Andhra Pradesh, and I love speaking to different people. And they are from different states to know about their culture and all. Yeah, that's all about me. I can say.
Okay, okay. Now let me introduce myself now. So as you know that my name is Nordin Khan from Uttar Pradesh district Bagpat. So if I talk about uh, academic journey, I accomplished my higher secondary education last year. Currently, I am pursuing Bachelor of Arts degree from CCS University in Meerut. So, if I talk about other journey, I have a YouTube channel where I upload some English conversation videos and some vlogs videos. And if I talk about my hobbies, I like to read some books, uh, non-fiction and fiction, both of. Even I bought a book recently. Maybe you are unable to see it because it's very, you can say, small. So that's pretty much about me now.
That is great. Yeah, that is great to know about you.
Yeah, definitely.
And how is your YouTube journey going?
It's not going well. It's not boosting now because earlier days I was too busy. So that's why I couldn't attempt any session. Even I made only some vlogs video, 2 to 3 videos only, and then I uploaded then those video on my YouTube channel only. And the day before yesterday, I had a session with a boy. I forgot his name. I think I'm unable to recall his name, but I had session with him. So that's why today I thought that I should have a session with anyone because I felt free today because I didn't go in my library. I had some work related to my farms and some other chores work. As I see
Okay.
that, yeah, as I see that you have a good background, like you have bananas tree, I think, behind
Yeah,
you.
yeah, it's
So
a
where
banana.
are you? So where are you at this time?
Yeah, I'm at I can say I'm at my workplace. I'm staying here.
Okay, so you are at your workplace. So you work in farm or somewhere else? Because
Yeah,
you are in
it's around
forest
100
nowadays.
kilometers, 100 kilometers from my house. So I can call it. Yeah, it's far. So I cannot go and come every day. That is why I stay here for 5 to 6 days and I return home on for Friday or Saturday night. Yeah,
What kind of work do you have?
I'm a teacher, so I work in a school where I
Okay,
teach
okay. You
students.
so which subject do you teach there?
I'm a primary school teacher, so I teach all the subjects like English, math, science, and everything. Telugu.
Okay, yeah, that's nice that you teach those all subject. It's good. So
Yeah.
for what are you learning this language? For what purpose do you have any particular reason for it? Or you are just learning it for your future only? Like you would work in
No,
future
no.
something.
Yeah, there are a lot of reasons behind I started learning this language. I can say to improve my communication skills. If I want to connect some people away from my state, I cannot I cannot communicate with them because I don't even understand Hindi. So I need to learn a new language. So that is why I started learning this language. And more importantly, if I can speak good English, I have two wonderful kids, so they can take motivation from me and they can learn it easily. I can provide some English speaking environment and English speaking partners. So
Yeah.
initially, few months ago, I didn't get enough partners to speak and practice. So
Okay.
if I can provide this to my children, they can speak really wonderful English.
Yeah, you are
And
right.
finally, if I can speak good English, people come to me and ask me, "Sir, could you please teach me? I would pay like this and like that, so I can earn some money." These are the reasons behind my English speaking journey.
Yes, yes. Actually, I noticed one thing, like if who are teacher and their children are very brilliant, they are very sharp, like they can do everything, like they are good at in studies and they are topper in their class. So why? What's happened behind that? What is that?
No, no, I don't agree with that. I think,
But I have seen some, you can say most of the student I have seen in my village areas as well, and in
yeah, you can consider,
like,
yeah, most of the students, but you cannot say all the all the children of teachers, because there is a popular saying in Telugu, teacher's son is stupid. There is I translate from my Telugu. There is Pandit Putra Paramasunta. That means uh, the teacher's son is stupid. They don't understand things. They don't study well. They don't read well like that. So I cannot say that. But teachers provide English learning environment, not only
yeah,
in the schools but also at their home. They provide some exercises to do, and they understand how to teach and what to teach. So these, I think, that is the reason behind it.
yeah. Actually, I have noticed because I went in many coaching centers, so I found there that their children are very sharp. They can, you can say, they have already a job and they are doing well. Even they are, if they are in school, so they are topper in their school. In my village too, I have gone many coaching center like related to spoken English and mathematics and English grammar for. So that's why I noticed that maybe you are also, because you have two kids, maybe they are also brilliant.
Yeah, if I talk about my sons, I think you cannot see such kind of a person, such kind of a boy. He's a child
Why?
prodigy. At 2 years young, he could identify all the countries in the world map. I'll share you
Yeah,
after. I'll share you after the session. You will be amazed after watching all these videos. He could
yeah. That's
identify.
why I told you.
Yeah,
That's
he
why I
can.
told you.
He can tell the scientist names on his fingertips. Like if
So,
you ask me who invented the bulb, who invented the telescope, telephone, whatever you ask, it tells in a flash, in a blink of an eye, I can say. So he's
so,
really genius, and then my younger son is quite young, like he's 18 months old. So still he can understand many things. He can identify all the animals, birds, fruits, and everything. So I can say my two children are too clever. I
wait,
think
so did you?
I shouldn't say that, but nobody can beat them.
Yeah.
I
So
mean,
did you teach him, or he has learned his from himself, like he was
yeah,
using his
I
mobile?
ask. Sometimes I teach, and sometimes his mother, their mother. So I'm a proud father, I can say.
Yeah, definitely. That's
I'll show you
nice.
after the session. So
Yeah.